Are you tired of using the same old AI chatbot that provides answers without any links or resources? Look no further than Perplexity AI, the new kid on the block, ready to challenge ChatGPT. Developed by a team of heavy hitters from OpenAI, Meta, Quora, and Databricks, this free chatbot not only provides answers but also includes links to citations and related topics. But that's not all. Perplexity AI is not just another chatbot. It uses machine learning and natural language processing to respond to user questions and provides accurate and detailed answers. Perplexity AI's edge over its competition is evident in its search results, boasting information as recent as December 2022 compared to ChatGPT's knowledge cutoff of 2021. And when we tested Perplexity AI against OpenAI's GPT-4, it outshone its competitor by providing additional resources, including links to the Tesla website and articles on Elon Musk. Well, let's try it out. We have a prompt here. So this is going to be an advanced question for any chatbot. Let's go ahead and try it out. As you can see, it gives me a lot of documentation as well. So if I am happy with the code and I want to dive in and take a look at the detailed documentation, then I have the resource just right here rather than having to search again. Basically, this is the difference between the two tools out here. Well, Perplexity AI is still a newcomer, but with $26 million raised in Series A funding in March, it is poised to take the AI world by storm. And with a free price tag compared to ChatGPT's subscription model, Perplexity AI is a clear winner. So, what are you waiting for? Try Perplexity AI today by visiting their website at www.perplexity.ai or downloading their app from the Apple App Store. Well, you won't be disappointed. Well, I'll see you in the next one.